Well, hello and welcome to another episode of Kuma's Kitchen. And tonight, I've cooked up what I call caramelized pork and vegetables on rice. And it is, look at that. Look at the brownness there. I mean, deep colors and deep flavors to go with it. Oh yeah. So you got the rice underneath, you just dig down, grab some rice, some of the caramelized pork and vegetables on top. Oh yeah. Well, that's a great dinner. Let's go to the kitchen and make that right now. Alright, so to make this dish, well, there's a bunch of ingredients here. What we've got across the front, well, there's a half a teaspoon of salt. There's 2 tablespoons of Sriracha sauce, that spicy Thai sauce. 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. 2 tablespoons of molasses. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. A 1/4 cup of honey. A 1/4 cup of my favorite tan colored sugar, any brown sugar will do. 1 onion chopped. 1/2 of a small head of broccoli, and I'll cut it up into little florets. If you end up with anything big, cut them in half. You want them to be about this size, your bite-sized pieces. And then over here, 2 red bell peppers chopped and kind of coarsely chopped. Back here, I've got about anywhere between 8 and 10 shiitake mushrooms. I cut them about 1/4 inch thick or 5 millimeters thick. Over here, I've got anywhere between 10 to 12 ounces good, so about 300 to about 340 grams of pork, thinly sliced pork. This is the cut-offs. Like we call this kiriotoshi. It's like the rough pieces that get cut off. They're perfect for this. And then 1.5 cups of water. So first thing we're going to do, I could do this in a fry pan or a skillet, but I want a bit more depth because I just like for mixing. So I'm going to use this old pot here, the one that I got. It's got a fantastic base to it, so it's really evenly heating. Bring that up on medium heat. Right about there will do. Want to get that olive oil going in there. Alright, so that's in. Now, oh, it's already spread around nice as it is. Okay, spread that around a little bit. Get the onions in there. Gotta throw the meat in there too. Then I'm gonna toss in the salt. I'll just sprinkle that over top a bit. Mix everything around. Alright, you're gonna get that cooking about 5-6 minutes. Doesn't need much because we're gonna be cooking it more yet, so I just want to get it started. So about 5-6 minutes, just giving it an occasional stir. I'll be back here 5 to 6 minutes. See you then. Alright, let's give it a start on that. Starting to brown a little bit, just a wee bit. Not much yet, but that's okay. We're just getting started here. So now what I'm going to do, throw in the vegetables. So in goes the red bell pepper, in goes the mushrooms, and the broccoli florets. There we go. Get that a stir around. I'm going to cook that for about another 3-4 minutes. Just giving it a stir every once in a while. Get that started. And then we're going to get a bunch of these liquids in there, spices and stuff. Okay, see you then. Alright, now everything's going to go in except for the cornstarch. So, get a little browning on the bottom. First thing I want to do is just to add a little bit of that water. Just kind of deglaze the bottom. So I go around, scrape off that brown stuff, which is all just flavor. Alright, that's looking good. Now, let's start putting in these all these different liquids and sugar, I guess is not liquid. So we'll get the molasses going there. Alright, that's the molasses. The Sriracha, put that in there. What a mingling of flavors we're going to have here. Then, let's get that sugar in there. The honey. Alright. Yeah, it deserves a lick. Oh yeah. And then, we got soy sauce. Let's give that a bit of a stir. This is going to be quite a nice mixture here. It's very smelling really good from the bell peppers cooking in there. Now I've added these sauces. Okay, in goes the water. Mix that together. I'm going to simmer this now for about 15 minutes. Alright, we'll be back here 15 minutes, and then we're going to thicken it up with the cornstarch. Alright, see you then. Alright, that's been cooking away there for 15 minutes, looking good. So now, we want to thicken that up. What we're going to do is use that cornstarch. What I'm going to do is get a little bit of the liquid from out of here. So grab a ladle, get in there, get some of that liquid. Okay, with a chunk of red bell pepper. A bit more liquid in there. That's about right. We don't want too much, just enough. What we want to do is be able to dissolve that cornstarch, because we don't want it all lumpy in there. So in goes the cornstarch. Alright, gonna take a whisk and just work on dissolving that into this liquid here. And keep mixing until you got no lumps left. Alright, that's looking good. I don't see anything lumpy coming up. There's a little piece of onion in there. Other than that, though, nothing lumpy, so that's good. Alright, now we can mix that in. Oh, let's get the ladle out of there. That off to one side. Alright, we're just gonna pour it around, mix it in there. Alright, it's gonna start thickening up pretty quick. So, stirring until I see it's thickening. Ooh, getting there. A little bit more. You see that starting to thicken up like that? And that's looking pretty good. Alright, I don't want it too thick. It's going to go on rice. That is absolutely perfect. Ready to go. So now, let's get a couple plates on here. I got these deep dish plates here. We got our rice over there. So, open that up. Some rice on the plate, just gotta fluff it again. A little bit more on that one. Oh yeah. Give it up between the two plates here. A little bit more on that plate. Alright, so we got that spread out across there a bit. So that in there. Alright, get our ladle out to one side and just start ladling this on to the rice. Oh, look at that. Oh yeah. We got enough there to feed a small army. There's still a bit left in here. That's okay. This is great as leftovers too. Actually, not that much left in there. That's perfect. Look at that. So there we go. Ready for dinner. Gonna be good. All right. So if you like this, well, you know what to do. Hey, make sure that you watch some more of the original Kevin O'Reilly recipes here on Kuma's Kitchen. And if this is your first time here, please do make sure that you subscribe and click that notification bell so you don't miss out on upcoming recipes from Kuma's Kitchen. Because we're something new every week, and I never know what's going to be next because just whatever comes out of here. All right, go make this and make cooking fun again with Kuma's Kitchen.